We also have Excel spreadsheet, which can be used in order to insert Microsoft Excel tables. So let's do that. Sorry. I uncheck this draw table thing and I remove it. I say I have a Excel spreadsheet. I want to import it. So as you see, here will look exactly like an Excel table. We can fill it, and afterwards it will provide us with it. If you don't know how to work with Microsoft Excel, or you don't even know what it is or something, you can always get to the Microsoft Excel full course, complete course that we have on the Takeoff College. That's always available to you. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.